Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the essentials so you avoid delays. Make sure you have an active Roblox account, the game updated, and a stable connection. This reduces lag and misspawns. Next, join the specific map or server where Hazmat Panda can spawn because spawn rules are server-dependent. Once in, check your inventory. Equip a flashlight for visibility, a map for navigation, and stealth gear to reduce detection. These choices increase your chance to locate the character quickly and safely. Now you focus on effective search techniques that actually work. Once done with setup, monitor spawn cycles closely. Hazmat Panda often appears in predictable 5 to 7 minute windows, so you time your patrols. Use audio cues and map markers because the panda emits distinct sounds and leaves traces. These guide your approach. Also coordinate with teammates, assigning sectors and relaying sightings. When one person confirms a clue, others converge to trap the target faster and secure any rewards without wasted overlap. You finish by executing the capture sequence and validating the reward. Approach Hazmat Panda cautiously so you can trigger the correct interaction. This may be proximity, using a specific item, or completing a short minigame, because rushing often causes failure. After success, collect loot or achievements and verify inventory. If the encounter fails, troubleshoot. Reposition to a different spawn point, leave and rejoin the server, or clear client cache. These steps reset spawns and usually resolve common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.